Hey guys, welcome to Tech Flows. Today we're gonna guide you how to transfer coin from your exchange to your wallet. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribe, like and share. Let's dive in. Actually today I'm gonna use Toobit centralized exchange, which we posted the tutorial how to create account in this amazing exchange before. Make sure to check that out. Okay, let's continue. You're gonna actually enter toobit.com website, and at the right you see the up icons. Close to deposit you see assets. Assets, the things you own. Asset is the things you own in the exchange. Click on assets, enter. Okay, you see this icon, spot account, future account, copy trading, and this account. Okay, spot account in exchange is the place that shows you what you own, how many currencies you own, how many dollar you own. Everything you own in here is gonna show to you in here. Okay, you see USDT, BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Ripple, any currency you will have. Okay, if you want to send money to someone, you have to come to a spot account, and then you see to the right actions. They are deposit and withdraw. We have two actions here. So basically, deposit is when you're gonna receive a money to your account. For example, your friend or somebody gonna send you a money, so we're gonna receive it. That is deposit. Now withdraw. Withdraw is for situation you're gonna send money either to someone or to your another wallet. You work with withdraw. So deposit is receiving money, withdraw is sending money. Clear? Okay, so today we're gonna send money to our Safepal wallet, but you can do the same situation for any wallet, doesn't matter. Actually, it's the same actions. So we have withdraw now. Okay, here you see we have two options again: on-chain transfer or intra transfer. Okay, guys, what is intra transfer? It's for Toobit to Toobit account. For example, let me make this clear for you. I have a Toobit account, right? My friend also have a Toobit account, and I want to send money for he or she, right? So I can use internal transfer because the fees are 0. And for internal transfer, you have to check something out too. You need username for actually completing this transfer. So coming to your up, to the left, your account place. Under that is a UID. You're gonna copy that, but you have to get the UID person you're gonna actually send money to, not yourself. You're not gonna send money to yourself, right? So you're gonna ask your friend to send them your UID if they have the same account in Toobit, and you're gonna click in and ready to go. But today we're gonna use on-chain transfer. So clicking on that, I'm gonna transfer USDT today, and the networks are very important, guys. The network, your USDT is on it. You're gonna send it on it. The receiving address should be on the same network. If not, your money gonna get lost. Very be careful about that. Okay, so for example, using USDT and coming to transfer network, clicking on that, you see TRC20, BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, which is ERC20, Solana, or Polygon. You can choose any of them, okay? But if you choose, for example, TRC20, for receiving address, it should be exactly USDT on network TRC20. So really be careful about that. It's very important. I'm gonna choose TRC20 for today. Clicking on that. See, transfer address. So now I'm gonna send this money to where? To Safepal wallet, right? Okay, clicking on Safepal, entering my Safepal wallet. Okay, now we're gonna find USDT on TRC20. You see here, but maybe you're not gonna find it yourself. Something you gotta do, you gotta go to actually searching there, to the search coins. You're gonna go for manage coins exactly here, and you're gonna exactly search what you want. For example, USDT, You see, it's gonna give you all the chains: Bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, anything you want, okay? So we're gonna actually turn on USDT TRC20 as we choose there the network, right? See, turning on that, and it's gonna show on the screen of your coin and currency assets on Safepal wallet. Okay, we're gonna open USDT TRC20, and we're gonna click receive, and we're gonna copy the address. And guys, make sure to check three first word of the address. And if, for example, we want to go for Solana, we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go USDT on Solana and do the same thing. Receive, copy the address, copy it, paste it in here, and check the address, and you're good to go. Transfer amount. Is it amount money you want to transfer? I had $100, right? 100 USDT. So I choose how much I want to transfer. I write it on USDT. So I'm going to actually transfer $50. You see, $1 is a fee, and 49 I'm going to receive on my Safepal wallet. You see, confirm here. A verification code going to get sent to your email. Open your Gmail and paste that. Then the authenticator code that I also taught you on the past video we posted totally on how to create Toobit and Safepal wallets. Make sure to check that videos out. They are great. We actually said a very important things about these. We're gonna enter Gmail. Okay. See, they send us a verification code. We're gonna click on that, and the authenticator code as well. Then we're gonna click OK. Okay. See, withdraw submitted. You see recent withdraw history. You can see the situation of your withdraw. You see written the exactly information, and see withdraw status is pending. When it says like completed or something with the green things, you're gonna see that, oh, I have to check my wallet now, I received it. Okay, you see, it minus it from my spot account. Now it's $50 there. We're gonna check our Safepal, which yes, it came $49 USDT on Solana network, as you can see in my wallet at the moment. And guys, I put the registration link and our referral link on the description below. Make sure to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's very useful for you. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.